Hi everyone, want to make your reel stand out and look more professional? These are the aspect ratio tricks will make your edits look cinematic, polished, and more engaging. Let's get started. What is an aspect ratio? This refers to a dimension of your video frame. Reels typically 9 is to 16, but creative. Use ratio inside the vertical video can dramatically increase the watch time. Here is the trick number 1, the cinematic letter bars. This is 21 by 9 ratio. Give a film like aesthetic that screams like a movie trailer. And here's how to do it in CapCut. Import your 9 is to 16 vertical clip and tap overlay and add overlay and choose a black image and resize the position the black image at the top and the bottom of your frame and adjust the create horizontal black bars. Look for the overlay to all clip using apply to all. Then the trick number 2, the split screen reels. This 1 is to 1 ratio and inside is 9 is to 16 ratio. Perfect for before and after edits, reactions, or dual angles. Just import your main vertical video and add a second video as an overlay and use a crop tool to make both clips square 1 is to 1 position on one top and other on the bottom and add text or caption if you want. The number 3 trick is the zoom and pan aspect punch. It mimics the TikTok zoom trend or Ken Burns effect for storytelling. And here's how to do it. Just import a wide landscape video and tap edit, style, and click the auto reframe and choose a portrait. CapCut automatically pans the camera to center the action. And here you can also add a keyframe zoom ins and dramatic moments to emphasize emotion or movements. And the bonus tip, you can use this in combo in viral results. You can combine letterbox bars, zoom in punch, or super cinematic feel. Use split screen with overlays for storytelling or transformation. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.